These Imagineers are testing the track for a new off-road rally ride coming to Magic Kingdom. Our creative team researched trails in Sedona, Arizona, identifying speeds, measurements, and terrain to inspire the movement of the ride vehicle. Now, here in Florida, we created a track with a controlled environment so we can recreate our favorite off-road elements and tell a story through movement. This helps us test and adjust the ride track to make sure every bump and turn is as much fun as possible before we start 3D modeling for construction. Every ride through gives us a better understanding of how the attraction will feel, and we can't wait to share more updates with you as we develop.